Okay, we got it fixed. Avoid cut Cuddles with your paw. We're sitting there waiting for it to go around, like, let go, finally go around. Who's got a hold of it? Smelly, let it run. Get it, Cuddles. Get it. Well, now they have the little pink tail all stretched out. You girls cheat something horrible. So I've decided the cats in the commercial are not as bright as you two. Not at all. Cuddles. What's the matter, Cuddles? Does I get a little tired holding that big fat body up? A little tiring holding your big fat body up? What do you want, a belly rub? Yeah? You want a belly rub? Seriously? Are you kidding me? Belly rub? Huh? Oh yeah, belly rubbing. Your sister's still trying to play. Alright, we're done. Alright, get up. What do you want, a spin? You need a spin? Alright, there. Feel better? I guess so. You're back at it. Alright. Supposed to stretch before you exercise. You getting bored now? You want me to shut it off? Another belly rub. Are you serious? Another one? Oh my goodness. My goodness, my goodness. Alright. Alright. Who's stopping it now? Cuddles with your butt? Yes. Shit. Where'd it go, Snail? She knows what the video's on. She likes being videos. Where are you? Cuddles. Smelly, are you done playing? Because I'm going to shut it off. Are you all bored? Yeah? Alright then. What are you doing? You're looking rather silly, I might add. What happens if we put the tent over it? Uh-oh, now what? Now what? Now what? Where is it, Cuddles? Did you find it? Huh? Did you find it? Did you? All right, say goodbye.